Cooking is an experience that combines creativity, efficiency, and safety. This Astercook 21-piece pots and pans non-stick ceramic cookware set elevates home cooking by blending premium performance, smart design, and space-saving convenience. This versatile cookware collection is perfect for home kitchens, RV setups, or anyone seeking a high-quality, stylish solution for everyday cooking. With its detachable handles, oven-safe construction, and induction compatibility, this set redefines what it means to cook efficiently and safely. The purchase link is available in the description below and in the pinned comment. Health-conscious and high-performance non-stick coating. At the heart of the Astercook cookware set is a premium non-stick ceramic coating. This ensures food slides effortlessly off the surface while using minimal oil, allowing for healthier cooking without compromising flavor. Unlike conventional non-stick surfaces, the ceramic coating is free from harmful chemicals like PFOA, providing peace of mind while preparing meals for your family. This makes the Astercook set not just cookware, but a lifestyle upgrade that prioritizes your health and safety in the kitchen. Innovative detachable handle design. One of the standout features of this cookware set is the secure removable handle. This cutting-edge mechanism ensures a stable grip during cooking while allowing you to easily detach the handle when storing or cleaning your cookware. The detachable design not only saves space in your kitchen, but also makes cleaning effortless. No more struggling with bulky handles in a crowded sink. Just remove the handle and wash the cookware quickly and thoroughly. Space-saving and stackable. Astercook's thoughtful design makes it ideal for kitchens where storage is limited. The stackable pots and pans easily nest inside each other once the handles are removed, freeing up valuable cabinet space. Whether you live in an apartment, a tiny home, or an RV, this design maximizes storage without compromising on the size or functionality of your cookware. Versatile compatibility for all heat sources. This cookware set is designed to perform across multiple heat sources. It works flawlessly on induction, gas, and ceramic stovetops, ensuring consistent heat distribution and stable cooking results. Whether you are simmering sauces, searing meats, or sautéing vegetables, the Astercook cookware provides even heating for perfect results every time. Durable construction and long-term reliability. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, both the pots and the detachable handles are rigorously tested for durability and stability. This ensures your cookware will withstand frequent use, resist warping, and maintain its non-stick performance over time. Astercook also provides attentive after-sales support, giving buyers confidence in their purchase. Why the Astercook 21-piece set is worth buying. Cooking at home doesn't have to be a challenge, and the Astercook 21-piece ceramic cookware set solves common kitchen problems like sticky pans, limited storage, and cumbersome handles. Its detachable handle system, stackable design, and versatile compatibility make it a smart, convenient, and stylish choice for everyday cooking. Whether you are a beginner cook, a busy parent, or someone upgrading their cookware, this set provides a complete, all-in-one solution for safe, healthy, and enjoyable cooking. For those looking to maximize kitchen space, simplify cleanup, and cook with confidence, the Astercook 21-piece set offers unmatched convenience, durability, and style. Its elegant design and high-quality ceramic coating elevate any kitchen while delivering consistent cooking results every time. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.